Now then YouTube, welcome back. Today's the day we jack up the Civic, see what's wrong with it. We're just going to go through everything. Got a feeling we're going to find a few issues. It's a 26-year-old car. Now I've been looking through the car and I have found the latest MOT, so check it out. Now looking at this was done at the end of July, so it does give us a little bit of insight on what to expect. Fuel tank leaking excessively. That's a good one. Battery insecure. We already know about that. I've got a genuine battery clamp and brackets to fit on that. Plenty of issues. So yeah, let's get it up on a jack, get some axle stands under it and have a good look underneath. Right, let's have a look inside the arches. Brake paps have been done, but I'm going to be replacing all those with conifer ones. Make a better job of it than that. Brake hoses are going to be getting replaced with some braided ones. We're fitting coilovers, so need to worry about that. Top arms, will replace those. All joints look alright, to be fair. A little bit of surface rust where the subframe mounts. Yeah, not too bad on this side. Need to get these wheels off and have a look on inside of there. Let's go to the other side, check that out. Pretty much the same. A bit of surface there, we'll clean all that up. Brake pad's been done this side as well. So we'll replace these arms. New brakes all the way around. Let's check it out underneath. That's the near side front hub. Super corroded. Still got the cut on it. Is that a fucking Jubilee clip? Jesus. Bit of an oil leak. See where that's coming from. Could be the drive shaft seal. Maybe. Side suspension pretty much the same. Wants new drop links. Anti-roll bars corroded. Not too bad. Not too bad. What's the radiator and condenser looking like? It has got aircon. Look at the sag in that condenser, Jesus. I'll be surprised if that even works. Some of the fins are blown out on the radiator, that's always good. The near side. Right, it's still got all these trims. Look at that Jubilee clip. Nice. Just get these trims off these side skirts, see what's underneath. Chassis rails look alright though. Looks like they've been painted in something. Bit of underseal maybe. Check out the other side. Pretty much the same on this side. Chassis rails look good. Bit of surface there. Look at them rear arms, Jesus. That's gonna be fun. Heat shields hanging down, that's good. Right. Check out the rear end. Let's check out the offside rear, see what's happening. We've got some welding to do there then. This is that patch what's already been done. I'm going to chop this out and see if I can get a rear arch replacement. Weld that in. Brake line's been done. All these control arms are going to be replaced. Looks like someone's replaced the some nice bit of rust there that needs cleaning up. Seeing how bad it is. Looks like someone's been messing around with the fuel tank, that's probably why that's all bent down. It's definitely not leaking anywhere, but I don't like the look of that one. It's all got to come off anyway for when we clean it all underneath. Reseal everything. Check out the other side. This side looks a little bit better. Hey, what is that? What? Wow, I've seen it all. Whoever's been working on this did not have a clue what they was doing. Silicone holding the brake pipe in. I guess that's why there's no brakes on it. Welding repair there. Yeah, we'll get that all sorted. So look underneath. Hold on. What the? Right, so we bought a death trap. Well, that's good. That's pulled away from the chassis. Someone's jacked that up. Someone's jacked up off that. That's good. I have to knock that back and re-weld it to the chassis. So the fuel tank's definitely been changed. I don't really like the look of it though. Is it me or is it like bowed in a little bit? Or is it just all scratched? And onto the rear. Rear crash bar needs replacing. Fucking hell. It's not too bad once it's all sorted. Exhaust missing a hanger. We're going to replace the exhaust anyway. Yeah, not too bad. That's crazy that bolt's loose though. Absolutely insane. So someone's replaced this arm. Is that hammer right? Yeah. Oh, this is all broke. What idiot's done that with that brake line? That is insane. We'll see what we can do with that. Yeah, I think it'll all clean up quite well. We'll see once we start cleaning it all up. I'm pretty sure we'll be doing a lot of welding on it. Right, let's get this battery clamp sorted out. Alright, so that was loose. That's good. So was that one. Jesus Christ. Give everything a wipe down as well before I put it back. Sad. Huh. Any more surprises? Yeah, all these brake parts need redoing. Jesus. That's rough as hell. Leave it to hoover out under there as well. Right, we have genuine battery clamp, a new bonnet stay clip as well, that one's broke, so I thought I'd get a new one of those. Some genuine nuts, get them out. Two genuine stay hooks. They're the part numbers if anyone's interested. Beautiful. At least that's one job ticked off. There's something about using genuine parts. So they're the brake lines, what we're going to have to redo. That spaghetti junction down back of there. Also got some genuine washer jets. These were the ones what came out. They was all loose and spinning around and stuff. I'm pretty sure they're just cheap eBay ones. They're the factory ones. But yeah, it's not actually that bad. I'm gonna have to write down a list or something. So it's going to need all new suspension, new brakes, brake lines, brake pipes all doing, maybe a new fuel tank, loads of welding, underseal it all. It's going to be a good one. Well, I'm probably going to get some brake lines ordered, get those changed so we can at least make it mobile, tighten all them bolts up. I'm going to guess it's cross-threaded them or something like that. But we'll have a look. We'll get them brake lines ordered and stay tuned for the next one.